Hello, welcome back again to my cooking channel. And today I gonna fry this chicken stick that I use only 4, but it's so big and over 1 kilogram is here. It's a chicken stick, you guys can see. And the grocery that I use is so many, like oyster sauces, salt, sweetie, sugar, that's red pepper powder, and also concentrated soy sauces. Okay, so now let's continue with me. Okay guys, the first step of the food is after I washing it already. So now we're gonna sliding it for making the hole for grocery gonna get inside easily. Okay, here like this. Yeah, it's like this. It's all done for this step. Okay, so let's move to the next. This side also. Yeah. Okay, so now it's all done for sliding this and gonna make the grocery inside. Okay guys, now I gonna mixing the grocery in this three. The first step, this one is red pepper powder, sugar, oyster sauces, knorr, salt. The last one is concentrated soy sauces that make the color is very nice. So I gonna mixing it. Like you guys can see, the color is changing very fastly. Now move to another one. This side is the same. The last one. Okay, now all done, and I'm gonna soak it around 10 minutes. Okay everyone, now I put the oil into this pot and let it hot. Now it become hot like the boiling water. Okay guys, now the oil is very hot, so put the chicken. Okay everyone, now my chicken stick. Oh my god, it's well cooked. You guys can see the color. Let it dry and gonna tasting. Okay guys, now it's the next step and also the last step also, because the chicken stick is all done for test. So if you want to know, don't forget to continue watching with me. Okay guys, here is the chicken stick that wow. Okay, Let's test with me. Oh, I use this one. Really big. Wow. 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 Very tasty. Nice. That is really amazing taste. It is really amazing and incredible taste. This process is useful, so if you enjoy it, don't forget to click like and subscribe for next recipe releasing, guys. See you next video.